Hi! In front of me is Realme C31, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to click on Apps and Notifications. Tap on Notifications over here and scroll down. Finally, click on See All from last 7 days and tap on the switcher next to app from which you want to disable notifications from, like Google Play Store. As you can see, all notifications from Google are now off, but you can always turn them back on by tapping on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can always click on one of your apps as well and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!